several ways you acquire a miniature. You either buy one completely made, you buy the castings, a machine the casting, and then build it up. You can buy them as kits, or a combination of kits, or you can build one from scratch. So building from scratch is back to basics, making the patterns, having the stuff cast, having the boiler rolled, tested. So these miniatures, coming into the arena next, number 20, is Jeremy Sheldrake with his half size and 6-inch scale Foden wagon. Again, you'll notice it's got a registration number, so it is registered for the road. So that's a half-size Foden D-type wagon. Lovely little drop-side body on it. And it was the steam wagon that Foden wanted to pursue rather than go to diesel. Obviously, eventually they had to go into diesel because it was the way forward. Number 8 is a very unusual little roller, 4-inch scale garage, full height, and it's owned by Robert and Matthew Hand down in Derbyshire. And a roller is a very unusual subject for a miniature. Most people want a showman's engine or an agricultural engine, general purpose engine, so it's really quite unusual to see a miniature roller, and really nice as well. Number 25, Sam Albison. We light a fire and then we sit on it all weekend. Amazing. Again. Give them away, Ezra. Give them away. Fantastic. Give them away, Ezra. The royal wave, I love it. I'd put a wave at it. Oh! Waving at you. Nice turn of steam there from the 6-inch scale Fowler. Fantastic. So, as we clear the main arena, thank you so much to the owners and drivers for bringing the miniatures round. And we'll have our final parade of today, which is going to be our full-size steam engines.